How's it going, folks? Quickly, before I get into this next episode, I just want to take the time to say thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate the love and support. And yeah, if you like the episode or the series, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Let's make an awesome bug. Let's get into this episode. Cheers. Alright guys, just a quick little update. So I've managed to track down a whole set of 1500 piston and liners, but I've also tracked down another 1641 piston and liner, so we're going to chuck those in. The old man's here helping out again. He's cleaning up little bits. What are you cleaning up? The face where the liners sit. So he's doing that. This is a very dodgy backyard rebuild, but it's going to do because all it has to do is get the car on the road, and then I can build another engine later if I need to. So this is the 1641 piston and liner that I've just picked up. Cost me like 80 bucks, so that's not too bad. Got the other one, that's the good one for that side. And yeah, just got to punch the pistons down. The old one's cactus, so I can push that there, open that up, and there's witness marks inside the piston of where the piece has smacked it. And I pulled out that stuff out of the crankcase. So anyways, I'm going to chuck you back on time lapse. We're going to get into this and get it back together. There we go. It's a boy. Alright guys, so we've got the tinware back on the engine. My old man's going to be over shortly, and we're going to chuck it back in the car and hopefully have it running tonight on all 4 cylinders. So wish us luck, and till then, yeah, I'm just doing a bit more prettying up of the engine. Just cleaning it up that last little bit, and then yeah, we'll chuck it in the car and try and get it running. Alright guys, welcome back to the Average Shit Show here. So yesterday my old man was here and we sort of got cracking. Once we got in the zone, I pretty much stopped filming. So let's fill you in as to where we are. The engine's back in the Beetle, so that's cool. We did actually manage to try and fire it up, but it didn't quite work. So I'm about to try and fire it up again and yeah, see what happens. Hopefully we can get it to run, maybe idle even. Hopefully on all 4 cylinders. So let's give it a go. Alright, so it runs. I suppose I've got to find out what's going on, so I'll check the timing. I've double checked and triple checked the valve clearances, they're good. But I have a feeling there's some dodgy stuff going on with this carby as well. So I might have to pull it off, strip it down, clean it all. I should have done that before, but I didn't. But we'll see how we go. So I don't know, we'll see. So it starts, but it doesn't want to idle. Right, so as you can see, it does run, but it's just pretty rough. The timing's doing something really weird. The distributor says that number one is number one. But yeah, it's when I'm using the timing light, it's coming up nowhere near top dead center on the crank. So no idea what's going on there, but we'll see how it is, because top dead center on the crank is top dead center by the valves and everything else. But for some reason, it just doesn't, it's not happy. So I'm gonna have to delve further into it. Anyways, that's all for this episode, because it's been an absolute basket case so far, as per the title. And yeah, it's getting pretty late and it's getting a few days on now. Still got heaps more to do, but I've got to break it up, otherwise it's going to be a huge episode. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, drop in the comments below what you reckon the issue is, if you reckon you know. And yeah, I don't know, the winner might get a prize or something. We'll see what happens. Anyways, peace out till the next time. Thank you very much. See you later.